Hi everyone, welcome to our beloved my channel. Putu here, and I'll be your host today. And we have a guest here. He graduated from the most prestigious university in Indonesia, ITB.
No. You also graduate there. Don't just make it like it's only me here.
You got me.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, he decided to continue his study here. Together in we are together in this department.
So I follow you.
You can say like that. So anyway, without further ado, you prepared for this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. We already prepared
Okay.
before this take.
Okay, let's do this. Learn while having fun. Why not? Because we are
May.
Guess what? Our guest here is actually a car enthusiastic.
Not that levels, but I only love cars. I love cars.
Okay, anyway, before we go further, I want to know what's actually your favorite car?
Okay, so my favorite car, it will be shown, right? The picture, it's an SUV. This called Land Rover Defender, but it's already modified into overland specs for off-road, for camping, off-road.
Oh,
And how about
yeah.
yourself?
Accidentally, I think. Yeah, you can guess that one. The car image is
Uh-huh.
actually we both like SUV, right?
But I think we like it for different purpose because I'm more like the modified one.
Okay, it's not problem because in my view, actually, I saw that SUV is actually good better as compared to another type because of its like passenger
Uh,
or kind of like the safety.
but for safety, I think all cars are the same because they
Mm.
need to be tested finally.
Ah, so from here, actually, I came to understanding that you are not just a car enthusiast, right? You are also like learn a lot about car, right?
Yeah, in my spare time, I love to work with car and read about some evolving in car industry, like for example the body or even the brakes.
Mm.
And lately there are some ongoing synthetic fuel or anything like that.
Okay, that's what we are expecting from you. Okay, so anyway, let's
Okay,
go
okay.
to the next image. Here, can you take a look here? Me as a material scientist, actually, I thought at first that when you make a car, it's actually like a simple part. But in here, you can see that there's a lot of
Yeah, it's very
part.
complex.
Yeah.
It made of like different parts, and different
Mm.
parts can be formed with different kind of materials. Like
Yeah.
even it's not the same steel,
Yeah.
different
Right.
kind of steels.
As you can see. Yeah. And then in here, what I understand is
Yeah.
for car, yeah, I thought that the option is only limited to like steel and then aluminum and then magnesium. And how is your response about this?
So it is not entirely right. Even though like nowadays cars
Mm.
use steels and even aluminum because they tends to be lightweight,
Mm.
and it will increase efficiency and fuel economy and something like that.
Mm.
But there is also substitute, even though it's still expensive. It's
Mm.
called CFRP.
Okay. Ah. Okay. What's that?
It's carbon fiber reinforced polymers.
Oh, a
It's used,
polymer.
yeah.
Okay.
It usually used in like expensive car, performance car, supercar, something like that.
Mm. Okay. Our guest here wants to show something, right?
Yeah, and to exactly show my point, here is the next picture. This is a Swedish company, small
Ah.
Swedish company.
Uh-huh.
They are known for their carbon chassis monocoque.
Mm.
Why? And let's see the video. Here, you can see it gone into a car testing, and it's not damaged. You can see the picture
Wow.
video.
This actually, I was like, it's. I thought that if something like this would happen,
Uh-huh.
it is just if you use some kind of metals or something like that. But this one is a non-metals things, right?
No, metals deform usually like this.
Oh, yeah, right, right. So this point is about like,
The durability of the CFRP. Even this car testing, usually like normal cars, they need to provide like more than one
yeah, yeah.
chassis.
Right.
because it will be crash and the chassis damage. You need to use another chassis for another testing. Like
Right. Right.
there is some side impact testing, front impact testing,
Uh,
even like back impact testing.
right. Right.
But Koenigsegg is well known for using only one chassis
For the test, for
for
the
all
safety
tests.
test.
For all tests.
Oh, that's that is okay. That is unexpected, right? I
Right.
mean, in this case, yeah. In other words, that you only provide one chassis, and then you can do
Like many car
many.
testing, all crash tests fulfill
Wow, I
with
cannot
one.
imagine how strong is this kind of materials.
And you can imagine the price. Can you guess?
Double, triple time of that of the
Normal car?
metals.
It's quite the car itself. It priced in 3 million US dollars.
3 million
Finish,
dollars.
finish car. 3
Okay.
million US dollars.
Now I understand why they only provided one chassis for the test.
Because it's expensive, very expensive.
Right. Okay, we were talking about chassis, and you add something to what
Okay.
I have known, the carbon reinforced polymer.
Polymers, yeah,
Ah.
polymers.
Okay, I would like to know more.
Oh, okay.
I saw electric cars on the news almost every day.
Yeah, I think in roads you can
Yeah,
also
yeah.
see like several electric cars.
Yeah, you're right. And also,
Huh?
actually, one of the company is actually named after one of my favorite scientists,
Uh-huh.
Nikola Tesla.
So you're not liking Tesla because of Elon Musk?
No. Okay. Anyway, about the electrical car, let's talk about the how to say. Maybe you have any preference in those
About,
cars?
These
I
cars?
mean, as compared to classical car.
I like traditional car using machine engine because the sounds you can feel like this. It's like the car is singing when it passed by like sports car. It's like
Oh.
singing to your ears. While this one, it's like mosquito in your ear. It's annoying. The sounds.
Your reason is actually a little bit weird, but actually I agree with that.
Ah,
Yeah, in the on the road, actually I kind of like, what is this kind of sound? It's
yeah,
not
it's not good.
Yeah. Okay, let's go
Even-
to that one
Yeah.
about the electrical car. As we know, I don't know. I saw a lot of paper
Yeah.
talking about this lithium-ion battery.
Right.
Okay, do you have anything you want to say about this one? Maybe like the previously one, the chassis.
So lithium-ion batteries. Actually, right now there is two types of battery. There are NMC and LFP. Let's show the picture here. Let me. Okay, so there's two types, NMC and LFP.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, EV use NMC. Stands for nickel, manganese, and cobalt.
Oh, okay.
But now it starts to transition into the newest one. It's called LFP, so lithium ferrophosphate.
Okay, well, before we go further, this type is both are lithium-ion
Yeah,
battery,
lithium.
right?
Yeah, still the only difference is the cathode. So the one I named before, like NMC and FP, it's the cathode.
Wait, I'm familiar with these materials. The iron, phosphorus is actually is common metals, right?
Yeah, iron.
But
and
for the case of nickel, manganese, and cobalt, this one is critical
Hmm.
metals.
Yeah, it's critical metals.
So they made that for a battery.
Yeah, look at this. It's one of the critical metals.
Yeah, they are all there. The manganese, cobalt, and nickel.
Yeah, but you need to pay attention to the cost.
Okay.
When comparing, it's not
Yeah,
that
it's,
far.
yeah, it's actually how to say.
Nearly the same.
Uh,
Similar.
I mean, from the material you made that battery, for the case of the NMC,
Yeah,
it's obviously should be more higher
higher.
in
Yeah,
terms of the cost, right?
right. But I've read some reports that LFP is more complex in making the battery. To produce the battery,
In
it's-
the process.
yeah, so the process is much more complex, while NMC is quite simple, less complex. So
Mhm.
there is only a small gap. Probably only 20%, around 20%. The difference between
Okay,
those two
okay,
prices.
okay. In other words, you say that even though the NMC have a more like costly in terms of materials, but the cost
Fast
for
for
the process
process,
is
it's
actually more lower.
lower.
So
Yeah,
the net is actually NMC and LFP have a
nearly the same.
nearly the same cost.
Yeah,
Wow, that is actually another
interesting.
things, yeah, I got from our friend here.
You can read it also, but yeah,
But once again, that one is both is lithium ion, right?
lithium ion, lithium ion.
I see. So, guys, I don't know how to say these things, but I learned a lot today, and it's just some part of the car.
Yeah, only
We
two
still
part.
have a long way to if we want to cover all the part of the car.
Mhm.
And our friend here, maybe you have something to do right today.
Yeah.
So maybe next time you will come here again.
Yeah, probably. Or maybe there is another guest. That's up to you, not me.
Okay,
I'm just the
okay.
guest here.
Yeah, I think for me, I personally want you here again.
Okay.
Okay, to give me and our audience more insight on materials
Okay.
for automotive.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anyway, our guest here will be I hopefully will be here again with us. And for today, I think it's enough until and then don't forget to wait for our next video. And do you want to do it again?
Uh, it's it's fun to be
Okay,
here.
okay, okay. Okay, let's do it. So, learn while having fun. Why not? Because we are May.
May.